What if I told you that something we usually throw away could secretly make your plants grow faster and keep pests away? Yes, the humble potato peel, often treated as waste, can turn into a powerful, natural booster for your garden. In this video, I'll show you how to transform potato peels into a special powder that gives nutrition and protects plants without any chemicals. But before we start, make sure to subscribe so you never miss amazing gardening tips. First step, collect potato peels and dry them. The best way is sun drying for a few days until they turn crisp. If you're short on time, you can use an oven, dehydrator, or air dry them longer. The key is no moisture left. Second step, grind the dried peels into a fine powder. A little rough texture is okay, but make sure most of it is powdered. This powder is rich in nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, perfect for healthy, strong growth. Now, two best ways to use it. First, sprinkle the powder around the base of plants. It enriches soil, improves fertility, and repels pests like ants and some soil insects. Second, make a natural spray. Mix 5 tablespoons of potato peel powder in 2 liters of warm water. Let it sit for about an hour, then strain and pour into a spray bottle. Spray on both sides of the leaves. This not only nourishes, but also keeps pests like aphids away. It's eco-friendly, safe for vegetables, flowers, and trees, and adds organic matter back into the soil. Try it in your garden. You'll be amazed at the results. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe. More natural gardening secrets are on the way. See you next time.